Hello, Sarah. Can you hear me well? Hi, Sarah. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Very good. All right. So, how are you tonight, Sarah?
Happy, happy,
How are you?
happy.
You are happy. Very good. What did you do today?
And go to school and learn English.
Oh, that's really great because you already started learning English for today. Nice, Sarah. So, anyway, for today, we're going to get started with our new material because, as I remember last time, we didn't
Can we
really
learn
have.
flyer?
Oh no, we're not going to learn flyers. This is actually a new material. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, we are in unit 1. Are you ready? Are you ready, Sarah?
Okay.
Very good. So unit 1 is all about yourself, all about me. So that is about yourself. Okay, let's have this warm up question, Sarah. So if I'm going to ask you these two questions, okay, how will you answer it? First question, Sarah, what do you look like?
I look like girl have a long hair. Um, I tall. I have brown eyes. Um, uh,
Yeah, very good. Okay, so nice because you know how to describe yourself. And to answer this question, what do you look like? Okay. Now, what about the second question? What type of person are you?
it's a girl.
All right. Thank you for that one. Yes, that's also a question where you can actually answer or tell your gender, which is a girl or a boy or like that. Okay. So here, as you can see, the first question is actually asking your physical appearance. Do you know what physical appearance, Sarah?
No,
Okay, when we say physical appearance, that is your looks from the outside. Just like you, you're tall, you've got a long black hair, your skin is fair, your what's that? Your I don't know how to describe you because I've never really seen you in person, but yeah, as I remember from what I saw in the camera, you're beautiful like that. So those are your physical appearance. How you look like from the outside. Okay, so that is actually related to the question 1. What do you look like? Okay, that's physical appearance. Now, what about here? What type of person are you? So this is not just answering whether you are a boy or a girl. This question is actually focused on your personality. Are you familiar with it? Personality. Do you know what personality is?
no.
All right. So when we say personality, that is actually your character as a person. How are you as a person? Are you kind? Are you generous? Are you friendly? Are you respectful? Are you polite? Are you honest? Like that. So, what type of person are you? So, that is asking about your personality. So, Sarah, let me ask you this question again. What type of person are you? Hello, Sarah. Hello?
Not
Oh, oh, by the way, Sarah is gone. Mai, can you hear me well?
white. Yes.
All right. So Mai, if you can, if you were, if you, oh, here's Mai, let's have a warm up. I want you to answer my question. Okay. What do you look like? Yes, Mai?
I'm not too sure.
Yes, what do you look
What
like?
do you look for? I, I, I very tall. I has
Very
soft black hair.
nice.
Uh, I'm very friendly. I'm very friendly.
All right. So being friendly is not something that you can tell when you are asked about this question. Okay, what do you look like? I'm friendly. Okay, being friendly is here in the second question. What type of person are you? Then you can say, I'm friendly like that. Okay, so now since you already know about yourself, you already know your characters, right? Okay, Sarah, I want you to tell me one of your greatest character. Just like me, one of my greatest character is I am smart. What about you, Sarah? What about you, Mai? Tell me one of your greatest character.
Character is Doraemon. Teacher.
Character is your personality. Are
This
you
is
kind?
friend. Anna. I kind of friendly. Is
Friendly?
so
Very
uh, so funny.
funny and friendly. Very good, Mai. All right. So since you already know about yourself, okay. Now let's take a look at the vocabularies in here. Okay, I want you to look at the photos from above. So there are actually three families. Okay, so we have here Alfie's family, Grace's family, and Lucas's family. All right. So this time, I want you to listen to the three people talking about someone in their family. So for each photo, you are going to tell me who is the who is the speaker describing. Okay, look, the first one, Lucas is describing his, is it brother, dad, sister, or mom? Alfie is describing his, then Grace is describing her. Take note of your answers. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, so here it is.
Track 1. Lucas.
This person is younger than me. He's got dark hair and it's really curly. He's playing a game on his tablet in this photo.
Alfie.
This person is a teenage girl. She's got straight, fair hair, almost blonde, and she's 2 years younger than me. I guess she's quite attractive. Well, she certainly thinks so.
Grace.
The person that I want to describe has dark hair, but now he's in his 40s, he's going bald.
Track 1.
Alright.
Lucas.
Okay.
This person
Do you have your answers now, Sarah and Mike?
Not yet.
Not yet. So I will let you listen to this one again. Here it is.
this person is younger than me. He's got dark hair and it's really curly. He's playing a game on his tablet in this photo.
Alfie.
This person is a teenage girl. She's got straight, fair hair, almost blonde, and she's 2 years younger than me. I guess she's quite attractive. Well, she certainly thinks so.
Grace.
The person that I want to describe has dark hair, but now he's in his 40s, he's going bald.
Right. So I think you already have answer in there, right?
Yeah.
All right. So who is Lucas describing?
Brother?
Very
No, that
good.
I'm
That is
brother.
correct. Lucas is describing his brother. All right. Now, what about you, Mai? What about Alfie? Who is he describing?
Is that
One more, Mai. I
that
can't hear you well.
that that
That, what's your answer? Alfie is describing his.
sister?
That is
Mm.
sister. Very good. Okay, now number 3. What about Grace? Oh, who is she describing?
Mom.
Oh, she was actually describing her dad. Her dad is in his early 40s. He's going bald and he got a dark hair. So that's his dad. So for this part, you got 2 out of 3. So take note that it is a teamwork. Okay, so here are the answers: brother, sister, and dad. Okay, now let's look at this one. I want you to look at part 2 here. So you're going to add the words to the table. So look, what are the words from this one that we can classify to an age? Okay, we have age. We have 3 categories. First one is age, looks, and hair. What is an example of an age? Okay, so we have here, what's that? Teenager. This word describes to being teenager. This fits well to the age. What about looks? Okay, we have an example, attractive. What about hair? Okay, we can
Blonde.
say blonde. Great job. Okay, now let's take this one by one. Since bald is done, let's take it out. Oh, not yet. Blonde is done, attractive is done, and teenager is also done. But I think teenager is not here. Oh, teenage. All right. So now, what about bald, Sarah? Where do you put the word bald?
Um, and sister had blonde hair.
Oh, where do you put the blonde? Oh, that's bald. I mean bald. Where do you put the word bald? Is it to the age, looks, or to the hair?
Look,
Look, actually, bald, he's bald. Oh, actually, you are right. But there are 2 answers in here. We can put it under looks, and we can also put it here to the hair. Okay, now what about curly, Sarah? Oh, my. Curly, where do you put the word curly? Where do you put the word curly? Hello, Mai. Are you there? Where do you put the word curly? I cannot hear you, Mai. I want you to write your answer on the screen. Mai, write your answer on the screen because I cannot hear you. Oh, what about you, Sarah? Your turn instead.
Look.
What about curly? Where will you put the word curly?
Hair.
Hair. Very good. All right. So what about dark?
Where? Look.
Look.
No. Hair.
Okay, dark. We can actually put it to hair and sometimes look to. Okay, what about elderly? Elderly. What about elderly?
Mm, Look.
Elderly. Where we Hello, can you hear me? Hello, Sarah and Mike, can you hear me? I cannot hear you. Okay, where will you put the word elderly? I want you to send your answer in the chat box if you cannot write it on the
Hair.
screen. Hair? All right, nice try. Actually, elderly is here on the age. Because if you are described as an elderly, then that means you're like grandpa, grandma, who are old. All right, what about fair? Fair. What about fair? Hello, Sarah and my fair.
Yes.
Where will you put the word fair? Oh, by the way, for the
Hair.
rest of the answers, fair is for the
Hair
hair. Very good.
is
Okay, so let's make it faster, all right? What about good looking?
look.
Nice. What about handsome?
Hair.
Handsome.
Handsome. Look.
Looks very good. All right, what about middle age? Middle age.
Yes.
Age. Very good, Mike. What about pretty?
Look.
Nice. Okay, and lastly, we have, oh, second to the last one, straight.
Hair.
Very good, Mai. What about in his early 20s or late 30s? What about in his early or late 20s?
What teacher?
What about in his early or late 20s?
Age.
Age, very good. All right, now let's see if all your answers are correct. Here it is. Oh, it's very loading. Let's see. Yeah, here are the answers. So we have here it is. All right, so far you've got most of the answers here correct. Very good, Sarah and Mai. So for this one, do you have any questions about the words here? Any question?
No.
Very good, no questions. All right, now let's move on with part 3. I want you to describe someone from the picture. And oh, this is actually a game. Then you guess who it is. Or if you don't know the name of that boy or that person, just circle it. Okay, let's look at it. Let me give you an example. He is good looking. He has got a short blonde curly hair and he's a teenager. Then let me circle it. Oh, that's Lucas. All right. Okay, so that's Lucas. Now your turn, Mai. I want to describe someone from this picture. Then Mai will guess it. Your turn, Sarah. Describe someone from this picture, and Mai will guess it for you.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Speak about three picture.
Yeah. Oh, Sarah, I want you to go first. Then Mai will guess it.
Okay. With family.
Yeah, you can choose any from the picture.
Mm, Alice families.
Oh, all right. So if you choose Ali's family, then choose one person from his family and describe it.
His sister.
Oh, not yet. Like you describe, for example, how do you describe Sarah? You're going to tell, oh, this person is actually in her early 20s. She's beautiful. She has a fair skin and she's got a blonde hair. Then that is her sister. You describe without actually mentioning who is it. Just describe.
Her sister's hair is brown.
Oh, actually, not yet. You're not going to tell his sister. No, just describe the person. Then Mai will be the one to guess who are you describing. All right?
The sister has blonde hair. Mom has brown
Oh,
hair.
Sarah, actually, you're not following the instructions, Sarah. Here, the instruction is do not mention who is it. Just describe one person, then Mai will be the one to guess who is it. For example, okay, look at Grace family.
I
This person has a mustache and a beard. He's in her early 40s. He's about to be bald. Who is it?
Grace family, but I choose Ashley family.
That is my example only so that you can follow with the instruction. Okay, my example is here. I want you to guess, Sarah. Okay, look at Grace's family. Okay, this person has a mustache and a beard. He has a short brown hair, but he's about to be
Con đang
bald.
học mà mẹ.
He's in his early 40s. So who am I describing?
in in your
Who is it, Mai?
in your family in your
It's
race
the
family.
father. I am describing the father. All right? So your turn, Mai. I want you to choose one family here. Which family do you want to describe, Mai?
Race that
Yes, that's the answer. Grace's dad. Very good. Okay, now, Mai, I want you to describe one person without mentioning who is it.
is radar.
Yes, that's right. Very good. You got it correct. Now, this time, I want you to choose one family. Who do you want to choose? Alfie, Grace, or Lucas?
I want to be race family.
Grace family. Okay, now choose one person and describe it. Do not mention who is it because Sarah will be the one to guess. Okay?
Yeah.
You can start
Uh,
now.
in my family, there are 3 people. Your dad, your mother, and
Oh, not that one. My instruction is very clear. Look at part 3. Okay. So
okay.
here,
Hi.
you are going to
Uh,
describe someone in the picture. Then your
look,
partner will guess who it is. All right, example. He is a teenage boy and he's good looking. Is it Alfie? Is it her father? Is it her mom? Okay, so your partner will be the one to guess. Is that right? Do not mention this is
yes.
the mother, this is the father. No. Okay, let's do it again until you get it, Mai.
Okay. Uh, they they usually use a computer with your family.
Okay, now choose only one person. Do not describe all of them. Just one person.
Um, he has a brown curly hair, and she has a headphone.
Very good. Okay, good, Mai. Now Sarah, who is Mai describing?
It's Lucas.
Very good. Now your turn, Sarah. Choose any person from Alfie's family. Describe it without mentioning because Mai will guess it.
She has a no. He has blonde hair. Is no. He has black beard, and in his family has 3 people.
Who
It
is
is
that one? My.
Ray family. Right.
Very good. That's
Dad.
Grace's family. But who is that?
Dad.
That's Dad. Very good. So that's very easy. You just have to pay attention. Okay, great job for that one, Sarah and Mai. I will give you 2 stars. Thank you so much for joining our class tonight. I hope that you learned something, even if it's just a short lesson. And I'll see you on Thursday. Goodbye, Sarah and Mai.
Goodbye.